So how much money can a YouTube channel earn getting 1,000 views a month, 10,000 views a month, and 100,000 views a month? And I'm even going to show you how much a YouTube channel can potentially earn getting over 1 million views a month in this video. But before we get into exactly how to do this, we first need to understand how much money that YouTube channels make per 1,000 views. Now, this depends on a lot of factors. Are you promoting affiliate products with your channel? Are you relying solely on ad revenue? For the purpose of this video, let's say that you're taking some of my best recommendations and you're getting income from both ad revenue from the YouTube Partner Program and from affiliate product sales. Now, when it comes to YouTube ad income, it entirely depends on how many advertisers are spending how much money advertising on particular terms. For example, there's way more advertisers advertising on keywords like technology, finance, and health than there would be on keywords like scary videos or prank videos. And that's why channels that produce content on these type of topics that lots of advertisers want to advertise on are making a lot more money as a result. And that's not to say that other subjects like scary videos or pranks can't be huge on YouTube. Oftentimes, even though they're not making as much money per 1,000 views on their channel, a lot of these channels can still be making a lot of money due to the fact of how many views that these channels are getting. So how much money can you expect to make per 1,000 views on your channel? Well, like I said, it really does depend, but let me give you some numbers. And before I do, let's first separate low CPM niches from higher CPM niches. Now, CPM stands for cost per milli, and this is basically an advertising term, which is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 impressions or views on their ad. Now, this is also given to you in your YouTube analytics as a metric of measuring how much money you make per 1,000 views on your channel. So in low CPM niches like prank channels or scary videos or stuff like that, I've noticed that you can make around $1 to $3 per 1,000 views in those niches, whereas in higher CPM niches, and I'm going to be giving you some of the best high CPM niches at the end of this video, you can potentially make $30 to $50 per 1,000 views in a high CPM niche. But for the purpose of this example, let's just be super conservative and let's say that you make around $6 per 1,000 views from ad revenue on your channel. And now let's look at how much money that you can make getting 1,000 views, 10,000 views, 100,000 views, or even 1 million views a month on your channel. Well, let's first start with 1,000 views a month. So with a $6 CPM on your channel, getting 1,000 views per month would equate to around $6 every single month from ad revenue. Now, let's also say that you're promoting an affiliate product that costs $100 and you get a 50% commission for every single sale that you get. That would be $50 for every sale that you get. Now, if just 0.1% of people who watch your videos were to click the link in your description and buy that affiliate product, you would make $50. So if you're getting 1,000 views a month on your channel, you can expect to make about one affiliate sale per month, meaning you can expect to make around $50 per month just from affiliate products alone. So that would be a grand total of $56 per month if you're getting 1,000 views per month on your channel. And like I said, this does highly depend if you choose a good niche that you can actually promote affiliate products to. But like I said, I'm going to be showing you some examples later in this video. So now what about 10,000 views a month? How much money can you make from your channel if your channel is getting 10,000 views a month? Well, you can expect to make around $60 per month from ad revenue, again at a $6 CPM. And if we take the same example of promoting a $100 affiliate product where you get $50 for every single sale that you get and just 0.1% of your views buy, that would be 10 sales at $50 each, so $500 per month just from affiliate income. So this brings us to a total of $560 per month if you're getting 10,000 views a month on your channel. So now what about 100,000 views a month? At this point, you can start generating some very significant income from your channel. And this is where things can start to get fun. So at a $6 CPM, you can make around $600 per month from your YouTube channel, getting 100,000 views a month. But where this really starts to get crazy is when we start to factor in affiliate sales. So let's say again that you're promoting that $100 affiliate product where you get a 50% commission for every sale that you get. If just that 0.1% of your views buys that affiliate product, that's $5,000 per month from affiliate income. And that brings us to a total of $5,600 per month from getting 100,000 views a month on your channel. Now, 100,000 views a month on your channel really isn't as hard as you probably think it is to get. I mean, if you're already getting 10,000 views a month on your channel, it's not that hard to finally get to 100,000 views a month. It really usually just comes down to scaling, producing more content, and analyzing and optimizing based off the data. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you some examples where this actually would be possible, some products to promote to actually potentially hit some of these numbers, and some of the best high CPM niches in just a second. But first, let's take a look at how much money you could potentially earn getting 1 million views a month on your channel. This is where we can start to see a crazy amount of income, and you might be surprised at the numbers that I'm about to reveal. So at a $6 CPM, getting 1 million views a month, that's $6,000 from just ad revenue alone. So now what about affiliate income? Well, if you're promoting that same $100 product, just 0.1% of people buy that product at 1 million unique viewers per month and a 50% commission. That's $50,000 per month just from affiliate income. So that brings our grand total to $56,000 per month in this particular example for getting 1 million views a month on your channel. So now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you some of the best high CPM niches to make as much money as you possibly can per 1,000 views on your channel. But before I do, let me just give you an example of how much money you could make getting 1 million views a month on your channel in a high CPM niche. So in high CPM niches, you can sometimes make between $30 and $50 per 1,000 views on your channel. That's what I've noticed I've been able to make. Now, if you were getting 1 million views per month on your channel, that can be as much as 30,000 to 50,000 views a month just from ad revenue alone on your channel. And that's not even factoring in the potential affiliate income that you could make. So now here are some of the highest CPM niches on YouTube. And these would be the finance niche, the technology niche, the health niche, the cars and automotive niche, and the investing niche. Now, what makes these niches high CPM? Well, like I said, there's more advertisers who want to advertise on these particular niches and on these particular keywords than other keywords and niches on YouTube. And now, like I promised you, I'm going to show you an example where this would actually be possible to make a ton of money on YouTube, and some examples of how much you could potentially be making if you ran a channel similar to this. But first, if you feel like you've gotten value from this video so far, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so that I can help you with YouTube regularly. So now let me jump on my computer right here and show you an example of a channel that's producing videos that could potentially be making a lot of money. And this channel is called Young Entrepreneurs Forum, and they are in the make money online niche, so this would be part of the financial niche. And they just produce videos like the top 20 best small business ideas for beginners in 2020, and how to write a business plan, how to get rich, and all of these different things. And if we take a look at the statistics on this given channel, this channel is getting 500,000 views a month. And like I showed you, channels getting 100,000 views a month could be making a substantial amount of money, and this is 500,000 views a month. So let's see how much this channel could potentially be making just from ad revenue alone. Well, since this channel is getting 500,000 views a month, let's divide that by 1,000 to see how many thousands of views per month that this channel is getting, and that would obviously be 500. Now, if we multiply that based off of a $30 CPM, which I've actually noticed is possible in the make money online niche. My channels in the make money online niche, I've noticed actually make around $30 per 1,000 views. So if we go back right here and take a look at this, as you can see, we'll multiply 500 by 30, and this would be $15,000 per month by my personal estimate if this channel right here is monetized and putting ads on their videos. But that's not it. One of the great things about the make money online niche is the fact that you can promote affiliate products and potentially make a lot more than just affiliate revenue. So let's take a look at how much money you can make by promoting affiliate products, and that would be by going to marketplaces like clickbank.com or digistore24.com. But let's start right here with clickbank.com, and let's go down to the e-business and marketing section of this affiliate marketplace. And as you can see, there's tons of different products that you could promote that teach people how to make money online. And as you can see, for every single sale that you get on this product right here, you can make $189 per sale. And in the example that I was giving you, you would only be making around $50 per sale. some of these products can pay a lot more than that. Like this one, $189 per sale. Now, obviously with promoting more expensive products, less people will actually buy those products. However, you can still potentially make a lot of money. And the great thing about more expensive products is that you don't need to sell as many to make more money. And then if we go to digistore24.com right here and scroll down, as you can see, I actually have a product on Digistore24 that teaches people how to make money on YouTube. And this product costs $1,000 and you get a 50% commission for every single sale that you get. So you would get $500 for every single sale that you make promoting this product. So with this channel, Young Entrepreneurs Forum, they're getting 500,000 views a month. And then let's multiply that by 0.0001. Let's be super conservative with the conversion rates between views and buyers. And then let's say that 50 people every single month bought the affiliate product that this channel was promoting. And let's say that that affiliate product costed $100. That would be an extra $5,000 a month that this channel could be making. But imagine if this channel was promoting a $500 product. They could potentially make a lot more money. And another quick side note with this channel right here, as you can see, the videos that they produce are literally just a voiceover in the background of the videos with these kind of whiteboard slideshows in the background. Now, if you wanted to produce videos just like this channel right here, you could use a software called Video Scribe right here, which I almost guarantee that that channel is using. And it's super cheap and you can produce videos just like this super fast. And I'll try to leave a link down below where you can get Video Scribe if you're interested. And now check out this video to discover exactly how you can make money on YouTube in a really weird niche. And get this, without even showing your face and without even making videos. Yes, it's possible, and I show you exactly how to do it in this video right here. You're gonna get a ton of value from it. Check it out. You will not regret it. I'm gonna show you a really weird niche to do this in this video right here. Check it out. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Subscribe to the channel so that I can help you with YouTube regularly, and I'll see you in the next.